Hi there, I'm Amish Patel Owen, and you're listening to Live Your True Self, episode number 86. After 18 years doing corporate, in 2018 it became about doing me, doing what I love. Not that long ago, I too felt a deep desire to be something more, asking myself, who am I anyway, and what's my purpose? Full of self-doubt and fear of failure, fast forward to this moment and you'll see a version of me that's true to myself, calm, confident and clearer than ever before, despite the drama. Inspired by Krishna's words in the Bhagavad Gita, one must deliver himself with the help of the mind and not degrade himself. The mind is the friend of the conditioned soul and his enemy as well. So perspective is everything. No matter where you are on your personal growth journey as a high achiever, I'm here to guide you. Together, we'll step out of your head, the busyness in your mind, and drop into your heart, the space where lasting transformation begins, so that you too can awaken your true self and live life more meaningfully in this moment, even in the messiness. Take a deep breath and listen on in. Welcome back, beautiful soul. Thank you for being here today. The mind is restless, turbulent, strong, and unyielding. O Krishna, I consider it as difficult to control as the wind. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 34. This speaks to the nature of the mind. Restless, unpredictable, and often hard to control. Yet, with intention and awareness, we have the power to tame it and work with it. When left unmanaged, the mind operates in patterns that can keep us stuck, restless, or overwhelmed. But here's the gift. Awareness changes everything. Let's explore the 4 key ways the unmanaged mind operates using the acronym M.I.N.D and bring clarity, stillness, and presence during our time together. Yoga philosophy refers to the mind as chitta, a collection of thoughts, memories, emotions. Like clouds drifting across the sky, these mental patterns appear and disappear, always shifting, always changing. So let me remind you, dear one, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer, watching your thoughts pass by. So take a moment to notice, what kind of sky is your mind holding today? Is it clear and open, or are heavy clouds lingering? Both are welcome. We get to simply observe without judgment. And with this comes a choice. So what happens when the mind is left unmanaged? It moves like the wind, pulling us in different directions. One moment we're caught in the storms of overthinking. The next we're tangled in fear, distraction, comparison, and sometimes a quiet whisper of not enoughness. But here's the thing. Just like the weather, forever changing, the mind is always shifting too. And when we become aware of its patterns, we can learn to navigate intentionally and with ease. Gently close your eyes if you can, and together let's walk through the 4 things the unmanaged mind does. The mind magnifies. The mind imagines. The mind neglects. The mind distracts. The mind magnifies. Picture a small cloud forming overhead, a single thought. Maybe it's a worry, a doubt, a fear. As you focus on it, the cloud grows bigger, darker, heavier. Suddenly, what started as a passing thought now feels like a storm, a heavy storm within. That's what the mind does. It magnifies problems. It magnifies situations and circumstances, making them feel bigger than they really are. Where in your life is your mind magnifying something unnecessarily, making it into something that is far from the truth? Can you let that cloud soften and drift away? Take a deep breath in through your belly, and as you exhale fully, watch that cloud soften, fade, and dissolve. The mind imagines. Just like a gust of wind sweeping in, carrying a sky full of storm clouds, these are the what ifs, the worst case scenarios the mind creates within. And it sounds like, what if this goes wrong? What if I fail? What if they judge me? What if I'm not good enough? What if it doesn't work out? But here's the truth. Most storms we fear never even arrive. They are illusions, figments of the imagination. The mind imagining the worst case scenario, because that is the nature of the mind. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, watch those imagined storm clouds drift away, revealing patches of clear sky. The mind neglects. Caught in past worries or future fears, often the mind neglects the beauty of the here and now, the golden light of sunrise, the warmth of the beautifulness of the sun, the warmth of your breath, the way the wind feels against your skin, the beauty and growth all around you. Right now, in this very moment, what beauty are you overlooking? What's in front of you that you have stopped seeing and feeling? Breathe in deeply. Let it fill yourself up. And as you exhale, Feel yourself grounding and arriving back into this present moment, filled with beautifulness all around. The mind distracts. Have you ever watched the wind scatter leaves in all directions? That's what an unmanaged mind does. It distracts us, pulling us away from what truly matters. Think about what's most important to you right now. Your dreams, your desires, your purpose, the love in your life, the truth of what really matters in this moment for you. Has your mind been pulling you away, keeping you busy with things that don't truly nourish you? With your next inhale, imagine gathering all your focus, your energy, bringing it back to your center. And as you exhale, ground yourself and remind yourself what truly aligns with your heart. Knowing that actually it's that simple thing. The mind is always moving, but you, my dear one, you are like the sky. You are steady, balanced, and unshaken when you manage the mind. Breathe in that knowing, and as you exhale, let go of any lingering tension, any tightness, heaviness, anything that's you've been carrying that the mind has offered you. Allow yourself to return to stillness, allowing the mind to settle and the heart to awaken. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali said, "When the mind is still, we are able to see things as they truly are." So let me invite you, dear one, to embrace the beauty of a calm, focused mind. It's the key to seeing reality clearly, free from distractions and distorted perceptions. So what do you do when you notice your mind has drifted? When it's tangled in overthinking, swept away by fear, lost in distraction? As always, first you notice. No judgment, no resistance. Simply awareness. Where is your mind right now? Is it in the past, replaying old stories? Is it in the future, grasping and fearing the unknown? Or is it scattered, pulled in too many directions, all at once? Pause, breathe, observe, and then gently guide your mind back to the truth. The truth that you are not your thoughts. The truth that this moment is where your power lies. The truth that you always have a choice, free will to return to who you truly are. The truth of the facts and not the fiction. Imagine your breath as a soft breeze guiding the leaves of your thoughts back to stillness. With each inhale, gather your awareness. And with each exhale, settle deeper into presence, deeper into the truth. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly, come home to yourself. And breathe out through the nose, let everything go. And do that again. Breathe in clarity, calm. Breathe out peace and presence. And now imagine the sky clearing, the clouds have softened, the wind has calmed. There is a stillness. There is truth. This is the power you have of the mind. You don't need to force your thoughts to stop. You only need to watch them. Allow them to be and gently let them pass. As you sit in this knowing and this energy that you have created, remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer. And the mind, well, the mind will forever change. But you will always have control over the mind. The sky is always there. You are always there, steady, calm, unshaken, no matter how many clouds come and go. So the next time your mind magnifies, imagines, neglects, or distracts, remember this: you are not your clouds, you are the sky. Thank you for sharing your precious time with me today. Until next time, keep shining your light and may you always live your true self. Namaste. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Live Your True Self podcast. If you're ready to go deeper into your spiritual growth journey, visit me at www.namishapatelowen.com to learn more about my work and how I can support you. And be sure you're signed up for Monday Mindset Mail, your weekly love note to inspire who you're being while you're doing. And come join my free community, Namaskara with Namisha, over on YouTube, an invitation to grow and connect as we walk this path together. It's an honour to guide you in reconnecting with who you truly are. Bye for now.